further explain that the critical T statistics for you guys. So as previous lecture, I have give you this critical value. I think you should memorize. If you don't, or if you are it's not familiar to you, I don't think it's a big problem. I sometimes forget that all the time. But I think that an exam is highly possible that you are given this number and just choose one and just calculate that. Okay, but for a review, I give you all the important critical number that you need to know. All right, so if the exam question do have some of the calculation that they don't give you, you can just use that from your memory. Okay, so let me just explain that. First is alpha, which means if you are doing the one tail test, which means that all the thing comes just one tail, and this tail will be the alpha, right? So if you want to get the one tail test, want to get the significance level of 10% significance, or you want to get the confidence of 90% of confidence, it can be used interchangeably. One tail test, and it will be this number. Okay, it will be this number. And if you want to get 95% of 5% of significance level, you got this number, as I said, and that's just exactly the same as I read here, right? And most of the time, if you are dealing with the confidence interval, you are dealing with two tail test. So every tail we got the 0.025. But still, the critical point is the plus and minus sign of 1.96 here. And of course, if you are dealing with the 99%, and as I said, is this number. So 99% is 0.01 alpha, and you are getting this z-score of 2.576. Most of the time, we just write 2.58, that would be suffice, right? And of course, if you are dealing with two tail, and one tail is 0.05, right? So one tail 0.05, and one tail 0.005, all right? So that's pretty much give you the critical value from plus or minus 2.58. Right, and I think that's pretty much all of it. 99% is really precise calculation. So I think this number you need to memorize. I don't think this number is significantly enough. It's really unlikely you will encounter 0.025 of confidence of a significance. All right, so most of the time you're just dealing with 19% or 95% or 99%. So on one tail, you are dealing with 1.65, 1.95, and 2.58. Okay, that's the three number you need to memorize.